Welcome to another episode on Power Hour. What is Power Hour? So Power Hours is trades between around 3:30 to 4. So this is a scenario here for stock PDSB. So the time frame is around 3:30. So from 3:30, it starts to spike. So this is the power hour trades when other traders are in trying to build momentum on the stock. So there's a lot of actions between this tight 30 minutes of the remainder trading before the market close at 4 p.m. So PDSB start to spike and the volume is coming in. So let's see how far or how high can this stock shoots up to. So the stocks usually that does not have a lot of actions before the 3:30. Sometimes they will have the type of actions during power hour. So here I just want to highlight what it would look like, and it's an opportunities to ride the momentum of the stocks up to the close. So a bit of red candle there, so it's a good drop in volume. So the bid is at $8.22, whereby the ask is at $8.26. One minute chart have a red candle in terms of volume, so there's a sell off right now. So let's see it hits the non-SMA there. See if it bounce and continue to go up higher. So 5 minutes there. There's topping tail candle. So the trend, it looks like it's gonna go down. Green on the tape now. Volume coming in. 832. It's gonna break high of the candle, previous candle. No, it seems it's not breaking out from it. Number of shares traded for the stocks is about 5.3 million throughout the day. Now it's just bouncing around, right? So it's consolidating in between the 8.3. Now it's going up now. It's 8.38 on the ass. 39. C4. 40. See 840 there. 840. Now see is going to be bidding up further to 845, 850. Is it green on the tape right now? No, so it's buying between the spread, right? So the white passing the tapes are just this is in between of the spread of the bid and ask. So you're looking for momentum trading. Is this a good time to get in? It can be hard to say, right? Like you don't want to scout for 1 or 2 pennies. So you want to see a breakout. So is that 835 for the ask? No, it's actually for the bid. 835 by 839. So there's a 4 cent spread there. So PDSB has been in the morning. It starts to spike and then it died down throughout the afternoon. And during power hours, there's some actions going on right now. As you see, the stock starts to move, but right now it's just moving a little bit. So on the daily, you see there's at the high of a few months at 838 there. So sky's the limit. If this thing can shoot up higher if it wants to. So important things to look for is volume, right? So as the volume comes in, then it will spike up. So 840, 42, 43, C45. It's going to 45. So here's an opportunity to get in, and it's looking for 45, 50, 55. We have a tight stop, obviously. Tight stop of 5/10 cents stop or 15 cents. Seems that it won't break the 840. If it does break, it goes up higher. And we look to see whether it goes at 845, 850. You'll see now 842. This while it got bought up, then it will go up to 845. Or 46. There you go. 45 for the red now on the tape. 47, 48. Watching it. Big red candle is coming down, so that's being bought up. It's stabilized right now. When you look at the 5-minute chart, so it's slowly pushing upwards, right? But it's not like a big spike right away. So the momentum is there, but it's slowly growing up. Some power hour itself, sometimes there's no action, but for this one here, it's decided to make a move after the 3:30 mark. And especially too, getting to closer to the close of the bell, sometimes it's even more volatile for the stock. So 8.46. $8.47. Here's the next one's coming up. See, it's break the. Yeah, just jump over. So it's green on the tape now. So see there, 8.5. There you go. Wow, it jumps 8.55. So here it goes, 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes to the close. So now you see that spike, right? And it's moving up very fast. $8.55 now. $13 to closing. stocks looks very strong, right? Like it's not being just, there's no flush down, so you have to be careful of that too. If it's keep going up, especially you look at the 5 minute chart there, you see all-time high now, right? So especially also like the daily chart is also high. So just be mindful that it's all of a sudden if something goes wrong, just like a big flush. Just very be careful of these type of stock that's keep moving up. So 866. Eight 8.7. There you go. It's like now it's come back down. Right, you look at the 5 minute candle. It's flushing down. It's coming back down now. See whether it's getting bought back up. So there's the 1 minute candle there. It's coming down, but it's gonna hit the night SMA there. About, it's gonna be less than 10 minutes there, so it's about 9 minutes to the close. So for this one here, it did go up, but it's just slowly growing upwards, right? So if your trading style is momentum, like a very quick flush up, then this might be a hard grind to trade because it takes a lot of time and waited for a long time just to grind up, right? So however you look at the 5 minute candles perspective, then it's a different story. Whereby you buy from the low, like around $6. No, sorry, $8. Then it can go up to right now 865, 866 area. So 50 cents gap they can profit from. Less than 8 minutes left to the market being closed. So right now it's keep going up now at 874. So you see there, like it touched the 9 EM, the 9 SMA there. That's can be a good entry point, with a tight stop, and then just wait for the stock to go up. So you can take 10, 15, 20 cents profit. Now since it's about 6 minutes left to trading, now it's breaking up now. There's a higher volume. The red candle now, see it's coming back down. We can buy the dip, right? There you go. You buy a dip. There it's popping up. $8.7 by 8.72. Now it starts to come down. See how it's gonna close, right? So it's gonna do a final push up. 2 minute left. See how is this gonna close? There you go, 2 minutes left. Sometimes the type of stock is just gonna, before the close, just flush down. And typically for these type of stocks, the volume would die down right after market close. But sometimes it's continued to go up in the aftermarket trading. Less than 1 minute to market close. Now it starts to sell off. You see there's like the red candle, and it is a topping tail now. It's coming down on the 5 minute chart. Less than 60 seconds until market close. There you go, market close. And it's continued trading, but for the purpose of this video, it's just to want to highlight that there during power hour between 3:30 to 4, the stocks can start moving as well. So pay attention to those type of scenario, and happy trading.